Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to create Kit subscriber on successful Razorpay payment. So I'm running an online course business and I'm selling my courses through Razorpay. Now what I want is that whenever I'm going to receive a new successful payment for my course through Razorpay, then automatically by using the detail of that payment and my customer, I want to create a new subscriber in my email list in Kit. So here I want to do this automatically, and for that I need to simply build a connection between Razorpay and Kit. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. Now with Pabbly Connect, whenever I'm going to receive a new payment through Razorpay, then automatically I will add a new subscriber in my email list in Kit. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can create Kit subscriber on successful Razorpay payment. So as the owner of an online learning platform, I rely on Razorpay for handling course enrollment payments, and when a payment is successfully completed, Kit automatically creates a subscriber profile for that student. So this will allow me to manage course access and track progress, and this will help me in sending personalized learning material or updates. So with the help of this integration between Razorpay and Kit, I can streamline my workflow and enhance the student experience by providing timely support and communication. So here I'm going to connect Razorpay with Kit in such a way that whenever I'm going to receive a new payment for my course, then automatically by using the detail of that payment, I will create a new subscriber in Kit automatically. And for building this automation and this connection between Razorpay and Kit, I need to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing software for automation and integration, and now with Pabbly Connect, I can build this connection without any coding and programming skills. So here for using Pabbly Connect, I need to open a new tab and I need to search for pabbly.com/connect in my browser. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the landing page, I have these two options of sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then you can just click on this sign up for free button. And this will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get 100 free tasks every month. Or if you already have an account or you are an existing user, then you can just click on sign in. And you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I just need to click on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And this will take us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the dashboard, I need to create a new workflow, and for that, I'm going to click on this Create Workflow button, and this window will pop up. Now here I need to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to create Kit subscriber on successful Razorpay payment. Now I need to select the folder where I want to save my workflow, so I'm going to open this tab. And here in this tab, I'm going to find all the folders that I have in my Pabbly Connect account, and I'm going to use this particular folder of automation. So I'm going to select that, and now I need to click on Create. And here it will take us to this most important window of our workflow, and here in this window, I have these two boxes of trigger and action. So trigger and action are the two main principles on which our workflow works on, and trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action is just going to follow that. So here in my workflow, I need to first set up my trigger, and here I can only set up single trigger step and multiple action steps. So here for setting up my trigger, I need to search for my trigger application, and here I'm going to use Razorpay as my trigger application. So I'm going to search for that, and I'm going to select Razorpay here. Now I'm going to give my trigger event, so I'm going to open this tab. Now here I want to capture the detail of my successful payments, so I'm going to use payment captured as my trigger event. So I'm going to select that. And now I need to connect Razorpay with Pabbly Connect in my workflow, and for that I'm going to use this webhook URL. So this webhook URL is going to work as a bridge between Razorpay and Pabbly Connect. Now for connecting these two applications, I need to follow all these instructions, and first I need to copy this webhook URL. And now with the help of this webhook URL, I'm going to get the detail of the new payment that I'm going to capture through Razorpay here in Pabbly Connect. Now for connecting Razorpay with Pabbly Connect, I'm going to first take you to my Razorpay account. And here I have already logged into my Razorpay account, and I'm running a test mode here because I just want to show you how you can set up this automation between Razorpay and Kit. That's why I'm using test mode, but this is going to work the same in live mode too. Now here for building this connection between Razorpay and Pabbly Connect, I need to first go to account and settings. And here in account and settings, I have this particular option of website and app settings. And in this, I have this option of webhooks. So I need to open that. And here I need to set up a new webhook. So for setting up a webhook, I need to click on this add new webhook button. And here first it is asking for webhook URL. So here I'm going to add the webhook URL that I have copied from Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to paste that here. And now I have to give my active events. So here I need to use this active events of payment captured. So I'm going to select that. And now with this active event, I'm going to get the response of every captured payment from Razorpay to Pabbly Connect. Now here I have filled all the required details. So I'm going to click on create webhook button. And here I've created this new webhook. Now that as I have added a new webhook in my Razorpay account, I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see it is waiting for webhook response. Now for getting this webhook response, what I need to do is I need to create a new successful payment and I need to create a new order for my course. So for doing that, I'm going to take you back to Razorpay. Now here in Razorpay, I need to go to payment pages. So here in payment pages, we can see I have all these payment pages, and here by using any of these payment pages, I'm going to create a new successful payment. And as I will create a new successful payment through that payment page in Razorpay, I will get that response in Pabbly Connect. So here I have this particular payment page of automation and AI course. So I'm going to copy this payment page link from here. I'm going to open that in a new tab. And here this is my course page. Now here I have to fill all these details, and as I will fill all these details and I will create a new successful payment, then automatically I'm going to get that response in Pabbly Connect. So for creating this payment, I need to fill all these details, and first I have to give the first name. So my first name here will be Damo. Last name will be user. Email will be damouser@pabblytudes.com. I'm going to give a random phone number. And also I have to select my course. So I have one course that is of automation and AI course. So I'm going to select that. My amount is 999 rupees. And now I'm going to make the payment. So I'm going to click on pay. Now here for making the payment, I need to first select my payment option. So I'm going to make this payment through card. So I'm going to select that. And as this is a test payment, so I'm going to give a test card number here. Also, I'm going to give an expiry date, which is going to be a random expiry date. I'm going to give a random CVV. And the name on my card is going to be Damo User. Now I have filled all the required details. So I'm going to click on continue. And now I have to give an OTP. So this is my test OTP, that is 4 times 1. So I'm going to type that and I'm going to click on continue. And here we can see I have successfully created this payment and I have created this new order. So I have made this order for my automation and AI course and I have created this successful payment through Razorpay. Now I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see I have received this response. So this is the response of my payment that I've just created through Razorpay. And in this, I have all the detail of my customer and my order. So here I have the random phone number of my customer. I have the first name that is Damo, I have the last name that is user, I have the email that is damouser@pabblytudes.com. Also I have my course name that is automation and AI course, and I have all these other details. So here I have my currency that is Indian rupees, and I have all these other details like I have the payment amount that is 999. And now we can see that I have successfully received all these details of my payment that I have received through Razorpay, and as I have created a successful payment, I have received that response here in Pabbly Connect. Now as we can see that I have received all the detail of my customer and my payment. Now what I want to do is I want to use all these detail, and automatically by using the detail of my customer and the payment, I need to create a new subscriber in my Kit account. So for automatically creating a new Kit subscriber, I need to set up my Actions tab. And here in my Actions tab, I need to search for Kit. So I'm going to select Kit here. Now I'm going to give my action event. So I'm going to open this tab. And add subscriber to a sequence is going to be my action event. So I'm going to select that. And I need to connect Kit with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on connect. I'm going to click on add new connection. And here for connecting Kit with Pabbly Connect, I need to give an API key and the API secret. So I can find all these details by logging into my Kit account. And after logging in, I need to go to account settings where I'm going to find my API key and the API secret. So for this, I have already logged into my Kit account. So I'm going to take you to my Kit account. And here in my Kit account, I need to go to settings. So I'm going to open that. And here in settings, I need to scroll down and I need to go to developer option. And here in developer option, we can see I have my API key and the API secret. So I'm going to first copy this API key from here. I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to paste that here in this tab of API key. Now I need the API secret. So for this, again, I have to take you to Kit, and here this is my API secret. So I'm going to first click on this show button, and this is my API secret. So I'm going to copy this from here. I will go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to paste that here in this tab of API secret. Now that I have added all the required details, I'm going to click on save. And here I have successfully connected Kit with Pabbly Connect. Now here we can see I have this tab of sequence ID. So here in this tab, I need to select the sequence where I need to add my subscriber. And for selecting my sequences, I need to take you back to Kit. And here in Kit, I need to go to the send button and I need to go to sequences. Now here in the sequences section, we can see I have this only sequence of Razorpay payments. So this is going to be my sequence where I'm going to add my subscribers that are going to make the successful payment in Razorpay. So for selecting my sequence, I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to open this tab. And in this tab, you are going to find all the sequences that you have in your Kit account. And you can select any particular sequence that you want to use for creating your subscribers. And I'm going to use this sequence of Razorpay payments. Now for creating a new sequence, I need to fill all these details, and here I'm going to use all the detail of my customer that I have received as a response, and by using my Razorpay response, I'm going to get all the detail of my customer and I'm going to map those details here in these tabs. So for that, I need to use mapping, and what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I need to click here. I'm going to open this response of Razorpay. And now here I need the email address of my customer. So here this is the email address of my customer. So I'm going to map this. Similarly, I'm going to map the first name. So this is the first name. So I'm going to map this. And now I'm going to map the last name. So I need to click here. I'm going to open this response of Razorpay. And here this is the last name. So I'm going to map that. And now I'm going to map the mobile number. Now here I have mapped all the required details and I have this tab of tags. But I don't want to give any tag to my subscribers. So I'm not going to fill this detail. I'm just going to leave this tab blank, and here I have filled all the required details. Now that as I have mapped all these details, I have made all these details dynamic. Now what is going to happen is that as I'm going to receive a new successful payment through Razorpay, then automatically all these details that I have mapped here will get replaced with the new customer detail in the real time. And with every new successful payment that I'm going to receive through Razorpay, I will create a new subscriber in Kit automatically. So here I have filled all the required details. Now I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click on Save and Send Test to Kit button. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response, and this means that I have created a new subscriber in my sequence in Kit. So here I have created the subscriber by using all the detail of my customer who has made the successful payment in Razorpay. So to check whether I've created a subscriber by using my Razorpay payment details or not, let me take you to Kit. And here in Kit, I'm going to go to Grow, and in Grow, I have this option of subscribers. So I'm going to open that. And now I'm going to scroll down. And in my subscriber list, we can see I have created this new subscriber that has the first name as Damo, and I have the email that is damouser@pabblytudes.com. I'm going to open this subscriber. And here this is the first name that is Damo, I have the last name that is user, I have the random mobile number, and I have the email that is damouser@pabblytudes.com. So here we can see that these are all the details of my customer who has made the successful payment in Razorpay, and automatically by using the detail of that customer from Razorpay, I have created a new subscriber in my Kit account, and I have added that subscriber in my sequence in Kit. So here I have done this automatically by setting up this automation between Razorpay and Kit. And now whenever I'm going to receive a new successful payment through Razorpay for my course, then automatically by using the detail of that customer, I will create a new subscriber in my Kit account, and I'm going to add that subscriber in a new sequence. So here I have successfully created this connection between Razorpay and Kit, and I have created this new subscriber in Kit by using successful Razorpay payment. So with this automation, I will automatically create Kit subscriber on successful Razorpay payment. So I have created this automation with the help of Pabbly Connect, and I have successfully connected Razorpay and Kit. Now I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here I have built this connection between Razorpay and Kit to automatically create Kit subscriber on successful Razorpay payment. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application here was Razorpay, and my trigger event was payment captured. Then I have set up my actions tab, and my action application was Kit, and my action event was add subscriber to a sequence. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I am also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there, and thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this with Pabbly Connect. If you want to reach out to us, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any issues or queries related to our workflow, then you can check the forum link. And if you have any issues related to the pricing of Pabbly Connect or Pabbly, then you can check out this link. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.